Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Ireland. You can see this flag has a rectangular shape. So we already have drawn a rectangle previously. Now we are going to put the color combinations. So there are three segments in the flag. On the left side, you can see that there's a green color, so I'm putting a green outline for the borders. Later I'm going to fill up the area with the color. Then the middle portion is the white one, and the right portion, that's kind of orange color. So let's put the orange here with the sign pen. So this side is orange. All right, now we're going to fill up the color with the orange sign pen on the right side. While we fill up the spaces, we always try to make the color as uniform as possible, doing our best. Okay, Ireland is a very nice country. Natural sceneries and everything is fine. All right, now I'm going to fill up the borders with little details. Okay. All right, so the right portion, this is done. Now left portion, this is white, and this left portion is of green color. I'm trying to put the green here. Filling up the whole area with a green portion. All right, the green portion is done and the drawing is almost complete. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on for more updates. You can also browse through our playlist to select drawings in different categories. There are lots of choices and lots of drawings. Drawing flag, this is one of the categories, one categories among other drawings. So there are lots of drawings there. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.